Hello guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my video. So I'm heading to a new location today and let's see where I'm heading to. I drove all the way to this place and it took me approximately an hour to reach here, and it was a wonderful ride across the city. And I feel that people staying in Pune can come here for a quick weekend getaway. I've come to Dattatara Villa. This is located near Khadakwasla Dam. So all the details would be given down in the description about how to reach from Pune city. This is pretty close to Pune city, and anyone looking for probably a staycation at this time can definitely head on to Dattatara Villa. So I'll show you around the place. So I'm staying here at this villa, and before showing you my room, I'll just show you the place. The view from this place is really awesome. You actually get the view of Khadakwasla Dam from this place. I will just show you. So that what you see there is the Khadakwasla Dam. So from once I go to the terrace, I'll also show you from the terrace. It's really beautiful. And here is my room. So that's my doggo Gypsy. So this is the room where I would be staying in. It's very beautifully made, very compact, and probably good for a family of 2. So there is one more room of the similar size, so one more family can be accommodated. So this whole property, according to me, can be rented out by probably 8 or 10 people, and you can have your parties here, get-togethers here. It's a very good place with a very beautiful view. I'll again show you the view from. So that's the view what you get from the room. So you cross the dam right from your bed. So that's the view from the terrace. As I told you, I would show you the view. That's the Khadakwasla Dam, if you see there. It's really wonderful, and the climate is so good now. It's too good. But it feels like 6 in the evening. The weather is too good, too good. The climate is so pleasant. I just thought of walking to the water there. That's the water from the Khadakwasla Dam, and I'm just going there to have some fun. I have finally reached this place. So from Dattatara Villa, this place is right opposite to the villa, and it will take hardly 5 minutes to walk down. This place is like too beautiful, and Gypsy is all excited probably to get into the water. So I'm just thinking of getting her into the water. amazing evening at Khadakwasla Dam. I came back to this dinner. Now let me see what they have in store for me. Wow, biryani. Looks yummy-licious. Too good. I'm having my hot cup of tea with this beautiful view of Khadakwasla Dam. And this beautiful mountains as well. So if you have seen my vlogs, I have put up a vlog about Siagat Fort. So the mountain which you see there, that's the Siagat Fort. I'll just show you. So that is the Siagat Fort. So if you come and stay here, you can always ride to Siagat Fort as well, and you can also go to the Khadakwasla Dam. So this is the area outside the villa, and there have been weddings and birthday parties happening here. So you can, if you are planning for a destination wedding, this could be one of the place. So that ends my stay at Dattatara Villa. As you see, this is a perfect weekend getaway from Pune. Even from Bombay, people can travel to this place. It's a beautiful bungalow, a farmhouse, and you can also set up tents here and have a good time with your friends. It's right in the middle of nature with plenty of oxygen, plenty of greenery around, and I would highly recommend this place to everyone. And I hope you liked my video, so do like, share and subscribe to my channel.